Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Volkswagen Passat R-Line in pure white. With automatic headlamps, blind spot monitoring, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear trunk spoiler, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.3-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 1.8-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5259A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.